Welcome to the world of functional woodworking art, where creativity meets craftsmanship to create stunning pieces that elevate both home and business environments. In this space, we celebrate the timeless beauty of wood, embracing its unique textures and natural variations. Each creation tells a story, reflecting the artisan's skill and passion for transforming raw materials into functional works of art. Whether you're seeking to enhance your living space with beautiful decor or looking to infuse your business with character and warmth, as you explore the diverse range of woodworking projects, you'll discover that simplicity often leads to the most profound expressions of artistry. From elegant furniture pieces to charming decorative items, each project embodies a thoughtful balance of form and function. The process of woodworking invites both seasoned artisans and enthusiastic beginners to engage with their creativity, fostering a sense of accomplishment with every cut. If you're enjoying the content and want to support us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated with all our latest videos and woodworking projects. We appreciate your likes as they help us know what you enjoy and encourage us to create even more engaging content. Sharing our videos with friends or on social media can spread the love for woodworking and inspire others to embark on their creative journeys. So stick around until the end of the video for some. Woodworking has long been celebrated not only as a craft, but as an art form that seamlessly integrates functionality with aesthetic appeal. In today's world, where minimalism and sustainability are highly valued, functional woodworking art emerges as an essential avenue for creating. The allure of woodworking lies in the innate qualities of wood itself. Each piece of timber carries its own history, texture, and grain pattern, making every creation unique. This individuality adds a personal touch to each item, whether it's a decorative shelf, a handcrafted table, or an elegant wall art piece. In the realm of business, functional woodworking art plays a crucial role in establishing a brand identity. Many businesses seek to create environments that reflect their values in aesthetics. Incorporating wooden elements into office spaces, retail environments, or restaurants can evoke warmth and a sense of authenticity, fostering a connection with customers. Thoughtfully designed wooden furniture, display pieces, and decor. Moreover, the choice of wood species can significantly impact the overall feel of a space. Lighter woods like maple or birch can instill a sense of airiness and brightness, making them ideal for contemporary or minimalist designs. In contrast, darker woods such as walnut or mahogany. The process of creating functional woodworking art often begins with careful planning and design. Artisans consider not only the visual appeal of the piece, but also its intended use. This dual focus ensures that the final product is both beautiful and practical. For instance, a shelving unit designed for a living. Sustainability is another vital aspect of modern woodworking. As awareness grows regarding environmental issues, many woodworkers are committed to sourcing their materials responsibly. Utilizing reclaimed wood, for example, not only reduces waste, but also adds character to each piece. The unique flaws and imperfections in reclaimed wood can tell a story of its previous life. In addition to aesthetic considerations, functionality is paramount in woodworking. Each creation must serve its purpose effectively, whether it's a dining table designed to withstand daily use or a decorative wall piece that also functions as a shelf. The durability of the materials, combined with skilled craftsmanship. The versatility of woodworking allows for a wide range of projects that can cater to various tastes and needs. From simple wooden planters that bring a touch of nature indoors to intricate wall hangings that serve as focal points, the possibilities are endless. This adaptability makes woodworking. Communities centered around woodworking often foster collaboration and shared learning. Workshops and online platforms provide opportunities for artisans to exchange ideas, techniques, and inspiration. This sense of community not only enhances individual skills, but also promotes a collective appreciation for the craft. As woodworkers share their creations, they contribute to a larger narrative that's. Furthermore, the process of woodworking itself can be deeply rewarding. Many artisans find joy in the tactile experience of working with wood, from selecting the perfect piece to shaping and finishing it. This hands-on engagement provides a sense of accomplishment and connection to the materials. For some, woodworking becomes a therapeutic practice, offering a respite from the fast-paced demands of modern life. As technology advances, new tools and techniques are emerging in the woodworking field, allowing for even greater creativity and precision. From CNC machines that can intricately carve designs to advanced finishing products that enhance durability, these innovations are expanding the possibilities for woodworkers. However, many artisans continue to embrace traditional techniques, finding beauty in the imperfections that come from handcrafting. In conclusion, functional woodworking art embodies the perfect marriage of utility and aesthetics, enriching both homes and businesses. By focusing on quality materials, sustainability, and thoughtful design, artisans create pieces that resonate with people on multiple levels. Whether through a simple shelf or an elaborate feature piece, these wooden creations contribute to spaces that inspire and uplift, proving that art can. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found it both informative and inspiring. Your engagement fuels our passion for sharing the art of woodworking, and we're thrilled to bring you projects and ideas that spark creativity. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, your presence means a lot to us. We encourage you to explore more of our content, leave your thoughts in the comments, and connect with our growing community. Remember, every like, share, and